Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Amazon order before it ships. You see, this guide will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. Now you can either use your Amazon app or get logged into the account using the web browser. So I'm going to go with the second. I prefer the second option, so you can try using the second option. What you're going to do is that if you're using the second option, go to the top bar, log in with your browser, type in Amazon login. You will see an option for sign in. Select it and enter your credentials and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you do so, you will see your profile. Tap on it. Once you do that, under your orders, you will see track and manage your orders. You see that option, track and manage your orders. Select it, and here you'll be able to see your orders up to the past 3 months. Yes, you'll be able to see orders up to the past 3 months. If not, you can also select the filter and filter out dates. Now, if you have placed any order on Amazon, you will see it right there. You can also check if it has been shipped or not. For that, once you track the order or once you see the order there, you will see more information as well as you tap on details. So if you have not placed any order, you won't see it, but if you have placed an order, you will see it all right there. All you have to do now is select details, and then you will see the dates. Either if you also see whether it is shipped or not. So if it's not shipped, you can now go ahead and cancel it, and just like that, that is how easy it is to solve this issue. Hope you found this guide helpful.